Let the pages of this insightful book unravel the historical tapestry of the human diet, tracing back to our ancient human ancestors to see how our eating habits have dramatically changed with the ascent of modern civilization. Uncover the secrets within our own human anatomy that explain why our body was designed to eat fruit, nuts, seeds, and plants, not meat. Our journey begins with an amazing story of early human history, what they ate, and then evolves into the skeletal and digestive hallmarks that differentiate the carnivore from the herbivore, providing a solid argument toward the diet our bodies are inherently designed to follow. The Plant Diet book explains the truth as we dive into the myth of meat, which dissects the protein fallacies that have long overshadowed the potent power of plants. Could the healthy eating key to strength and vitality be found in the very soil we stand upon? As you ponder, we expose the dark side of meat consumption, revealing startling correlations between animal-based foods, chronic diseases, and health risks that can no longer be ignored. It's time to elevate the discourse with the plant-based advantage. Discover the unparalleled benefits that plant-based eating has on your wellness, encompassing everything from heart health to your mental and cognitive fortitude. Embrace the stories of plant-fueled athletes and learn how this lifestyle transcends into enhanced performance, endurance, and astonishing weight management. Concluding with an actionable blueprint in Taking the Leap, Transitioning to Plant-Based Eating, your journey is supported with practical steps, inspiring recipes, and nutritional comparisons to arm you with the knowledge to confidently plant the seeds of change. Step into the lush landscape of vitality with Plant Diet Book and cultivate a life that is not only sustainable for your body, but for our planet as well. The future isn't just bright, it's green. As we wrap up this enlightening journey through the landscape of plant-based eating, remember that the Plant Diet Book is your companion for this transformation. It's available on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description below. By clicking the link, you're one step closer to a healthier, more sustainable life. This book is more than just a guide, it's your invitation to join a movement that values vitality, wellness, and respect for our planet. So go ahead, click the link, grab your copy, and step into a greener future. Happy reading and healthier living.